river. Third, maps from European explorers, including Father Pedro Maria Velarde, associate Malwa with Butuan than Limasawa. Additionally, Megapeda's account does not explicitly mention where the first map was placed. The opposition's reliance on the single source is problematic, especially when other primary sources contradict their claims.
Sakpan
Thus,
sino,
most
evidence,
claims claim
gabi
Malwa
maldita.
is based on non-interpretation, not solid historical evidence. Well, according sa book sa page 4, stated that Magellan landed at Butuan and there planted the cross in the solemn ceremony. Cambes does not mention the first pass. So we would also like to emphasize the geographical location of the kingdom of Butuan. According to the given literature,
Sa bus, sa bus, di ba?
beside the Agusan River and near the delta of the Agusan River is a beach
Counter to
called
counter.
Lasal, where it is
GGG.
argued the first mass occurred. However, if the mass happened at a beach called Lasal, why was there no mention of any river or any
Wow.
riverine-like body of water in Pigafetta's
Ganina ra na siya, guys.
journey? Pigafetta's account is considered to be one of the most descriptive and reliable source of this information since he is one of Magellan's most trusted and most talented chroniclers. Meanwhile, if we take into consideration Mazao, which is an island, if we use Pigafetta's account as reference, it also fits into Pigafetta's description of the place where the first mass took place, where he just stated that it is surrounded only by sea, henceforth providing evidence that the first mass happened on a place situated on the beach with no any riverine like body nearby, not a place situated